A wonderful good morning here in Cebu City. We are walking now. Nandito kami sa parang BGC, the Mactan, New Town. We're heading towards to the beach. Saan kami nag Airbnb. Alright. Guys, Mommy. Where are we going, Mommy? The Mactan, New Town Beach. This way. Ayan. And this is my daughter. I'll have to walk. Saan tayo mag-walk dito? Malapit na tayo sa beach. So, on this part, we're walking is like 8 to 10 minutes. And there, can I have that ticket? So, it's like that for our gate pass going to the beach. Alright, see ya! So, yung gate pass na bitbit namin, kukuha kayo ng badge. Ito yun. Yan. Sa Savoy Hotel. Isa yung malapit dito sa beach. So, sa lahat ng parang building dito, isa lang yung kinukuhanan sa Savoy Hotel. There's a requirement. Alright. They're just there. Okay. Yan, nandiyan sa malaking ano. Oh. Ang pangalawang pagtatagpo. City. Okay, tapos na kaming mag-beach in the city.
Finally!
Far banding, last day in Cebu. My goodness. Kung kailang last day na. Walking in the city. Ang best friend. Parang pag sa atin galing ilog. Tapos tatakbo ka lang ng basa. Oh, yan.